Hey guys, so as promised, we are going to cut our kale, Swiss chard, and a little bit of spinach, and I'm going to show you a quick, easy, super yummy recipe. So let's get to it. So first of all, with your kale, when you're harvesting your kale, all you have to do with kale is break it off. You don't want to cut the whole plant off because it's going to continue to grow all season. So what I'm going to do is just pick the biggest leaves off and some of the smaller leaves, some of the curly leaves. I'm going to continue to do that. I'm just going to fill this up with all, and let's get on to the Swiss chard. All right, so what we want is, I forgot to mention, is we want 5 cups of shredded everything, 5 to 6 cups. So I'm going to do around 6 cups. With your Swiss chard, you want to cut this. You don't want to break it off. So you just want to cut it off, and there's going to be new growth in between. Can you just get in there, Ethan? And you can see that new leaf coming in right there. Can you see that? So that's going to continue to grow. So what you want to do is just take off the bigger leaves, and we're going to devein these as well, destem them. So you just want to have around 5 to 6 cups of everything mixed, and then we'll get on to the spinach. Okay, now spinach, I don't have a lot of spinach, so I'm just going to pluck off. Oop, I just pulled the whole plant, but that's all right. I'll just plunk that right back in. He'll be fine. And we're just going to take a few leaves of spinach. There's not a whole lot to to harvest here, so I'm just going to grab a few, and we're going to go into the kitchen and get started on the salad. So I'm doing my Swiss chard right now. We washed and patted dry. We're just going to pull the stems off. It's that easy. And then we'll get to chopping. All right, so what I'm going to do is I've just got everything here, and I'm just going to take it, and there's nothing fancy about it. You can either chop it with a knife or break it up with your hand, and you're just going to basically shred it with a knife. So you want nice shredded pieces like this. We're going to throw it into our bowl, and we'll be right back. So there we go. If you want to get closer here, we've got nice shredded, it's about 5 or 6 cups. We're just going to throw it into our salad bowl. The salad bowl was washed after we did the washing of the kale and stuff. We've got that. Now we're going to add 2/3 cup of dried sweetened cranberries, 1/3 cup of chopped red onion, 1 cup of sharp shredded cheddar cheese, half a cup of sunflower seeds. These are unsalted. You can use salted. You can also use a 1/4 cup or a half a cup, sorry, of bacon. I'm not going to put bacon in this tonight, but that is an option. And now we're going to get onto the dressing. We're going to take 3/4 cup of mayo, and I use the olive oil mayo, the Hellmann's. You can use whatever you wish, but I find this works the best. We're going to take a 1/4 cup of sour cream. I'm not going to be fancy, and I'm going to use the same tablespoon. And I'm not using measuring tablespoons. I do it this way. We're going to do 1.5 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. I like a little bit more, so I do about 1 3/4. And we're going to do 3 tablespoons of sugar. 2, 3. We're going to do a 1/4 teaspoon of each salt and pepper. I don't measure. I just, well, that's a little bit more, but I like a lot of pepper. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt. That seems about right. We're going to take our whisk and whisk it up. All right, now we've got this all mixed up. You want to make sure that you have it mixed very well. And we're just going to pour that over this salad. So with kale and Swiss chard, it's not like lettuce where it goes wilty. So you can make this ahead. You can make this the night before if you wish. We're having this tonight with chicken kebabs, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. We also do this dressing in a broccoli salad dressing with the cranberries and stuff, but we put bacon in that. Tonight we're going to go a little bit on the healthier version of it. The cheese isn't so much healthier, but that is your salad. And believe me, people, it is absolutely delicious. So you guys have a great day, and try the salad out. If you want to put a little bit of dressing in, and not do the whole thing if you want less dressing. But this is going to absorb into the cheese and seeds and stuff, and it will be absolutely delicious. You guys have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.